Hi there, welcome to our channel. So after one of the biggest smartphone launch by Apple, the next in line is Huawei, and they are going to make their presence known with the launch of the Mate 40 series on 22nd of October. And the Huawei Mate 40 Pro is arguably the Chinese company's most eagerly anticipated launch of the year. So far, we have had multiple leaks and we want to clear it up one last time. The Huawei Mate 40 series will have 4 models. However, few recent rumors say that the first one of the list, the Mate 40, will be delayed a bit. As for the rest 3, they will follow the same schedule. About the design, going by the earlier leaks and rumors, we feel the Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro and Pro Plus will share a similar design with a circular ring at the back, while the Porsche RS design will likely have an octagonal camera layout at the back. As for the front design, it will have dual punch-hole camera setup with a gesture control sensor and a curved OLED display. It's also hinted that there will be a single speaker grille and the return of the physical volume and power control on the side of the phone, unlike the Mate 30 Pro where the waterfall display was used to control volume via virtual keys. Coming to rear cameras, leaks so far says that the Mate 40 Pro has triple cameras, Pro Plus with a pentalens camera setup and a Porsche design RS with similar pentalens plus an additional temperature sensor. The vanilla Mate 40 is still a mystery, and the reason for that, as I said before, is the delay. Now let's take a deeper dive on what camera sensors would be used. The Mate 40 Pro is reported to come with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX700Y sensor, a 20 megapixel Sony IMX718 ultrawide, 12 megapixel Sony 5x optical, that is IMX351Y, and a laser focus sensor. The Pro Plus will get the same main and ultrawide sensor, that is 50 megapixel Sony IMX700Y and a 20 megapixel Sony IMX718 ultrawide. Then we have 8 megapixel 3x optical zoom for mid-range and 8 megapixel 10x optical zoom, both with Sony IMX520, and finally a time of flight sensor. Earlier it was said to be laser autofocus sensor, but recently Rodent 950 made it clear that it will come with time of flight sensor. The Mate 40 Pro Porsche design will get the same camera as Mate 40 Pro Plus, but with an additional temperature sensor. Now let's check out some display specs. To be honest, there is not a lot of details leaked in regarding to display, but it's believed to be somewhere close to 6.7 inches. That said, we can expect an AMOLED curved display, at least full HD Plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, powering the phone will be Kirin 9000 chipset. This is a 5nm octa-core chipset with an ARM's Cortex A77 likely as the prime core. It will probably have a clock speed of 3.13 GHz. Other 3 A77 cores clocked at 2.04 GHz, and there will also be 4 low performance cores. The GPU is Mali G78 with 24 cores and an integrated 5G modem are expected to tag along. As for RAM and storage, there will be multiple variants available, you don't have to worry about that. About the battery, a leak on the Mate 40 Pro suggests all the Pro variants including Porsche design will likely have a 4400 mAh battery with 65W charging via Type-C and wireless charging. Then we can also expect Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, SA and SA5G with HMS, GPS, Beidou and GLONASS for connectivity. And coming to the end of the video, let me tell you the expected price. The Mate 40 Pro is set to start at 1100 euros, the Pro Plus at 1400 euros and the Porsche Design RS at 2500 euros. And that is all for today. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.